How to find high demand, highly searched keywords for your print on demand Etsy store. In this video, I'm going to go over using the My Designs Phaser AI tool to create title and tags for a product. I mixed in my own method in this video where I'm cross-referencing the AI created title and tags using Marmalade and eRank, cleaning it up and giving it a human touch. So it's going to be a powerful video. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. My name is Dave. I do new videos all the time on Etsy Success. Let's jump into my computer. So here we are in the My Designs dashboard. If you guys have not watched any of the other videos part of this series, do so after this video. I cover how to list using My Designs, how to save a ton of time, etc. The tool is truly remarkable. If you do print on demand, your competitors will likely stampede you using this app, but that's for another video. We're going to create a quick title and tag. If you want to try this, you can do so for free without using a credit card for the free plan. The link is in my description. Please help support my channel and use my link. If not, no worries. So I have just one. You select the listing here. You put one or two. You could put like two phrases in there if you wanted to. You put that in the title. Then you select the box here. Hit more actions. Then hit Phaser AI right here. Then just do the default settings here. It goes to t-shirt, and that's what we are doing right now. You can do other ones because that changes the noun that it uses. Hit submit. We're going to wait a couple seconds for it to do its thing. Usually takes pretty quick. You can see it right here on the right, or you could click jobs if you wanted to. I'll hit jobs, go here, successfully completed one design. So it is done. We'll go back to listings. There it is. Boom, we're done. Created a whole title for us. Now we're going to clean it up because we just want to clean it up. We know better. I know better. I'm good at SEO. I want to clean it up. If you didn't want to clean it up, you wouldn't really have to. Looking at this title, Christian clothing, Jesus t-shirt, can you hear the kingdom coming? The AI definitely grabbed that from either Redbubble or Etsy, because that's a phrase likely used on a t-shirt, but that's not the phrase on this t-shirt. The phrase is Waymaker. So we're going to take that one out, obviously. Religious tea, we're going to take out. That the word religion just kind of has a bad context or connotation, even within Christian communities. Certain Christian communities, I guess non-denominational. So I don't know what this tag is. We're going to take that one out. Just click on it. You can hover over it. It turns red, and you click on it to delete it. Fashion shirt. It's definitely not a fashion shirt. Clothing. We're going to take that out, and we're going to take Christian clothing out. We're going to just combine it. You don't want to have single word tags. If it was just clothing, the algorithm would be saying what kind of clothing. If it was just Christian, it would say Christian what. So you always want to make sure to have an adjective and a noun. So that's what we're doing. We're adding that human touch right now. But it gave us a ton of keywords like Jesus t-shirt. I already put it in Marmalade over here. So Jesus shirt is good. Christian gifts. Another time that I did this before I was getting ready to make this video, I did it, and it creates a different title and tag each time. It came up with Christian gifts, so I checked it in Marmalade. And then it also came up with gift for pastor, which was bad in Marmalade. But then eRank's little bubble here, which is a new thing eRank added. eRank's bubble has eRank has a bubble now, and you can click on it. So I clicked pastor appreciation, and that was good searched. So if you guys want to sign up for Marmalade, you can do that via my link as well. So I'm going to add pastor appreciation because that one is good. The difference, this is a quick note, you guys. Difference between Marmalade and eRank. Okay, Marmalade is a prediction into the future. You can see that right here. Watch. Searches. Hit this. The number of unique searches this keyword is expected to generate in the next 30 days. So it's a prediction based on old data. eRank is, let's see here, average monthly searches on Etsy based on the past 12 months of Etsy data. So with that being said, I like using both tools. Marmalade is super strict, so if you want to do like the end-all be-all and you only want to buy one tool, I would go with Marmalade. But I like to use both. I pay for both. I kind of have to be well versed on all this stuff. But if you had to pick one, then I would go with Marmalade. But for now, we're using both. Let's go back over here. We added pastor appreciation. We got Christian clothing. We're going to take out Christmas gift mom. It's not a Christmas gift. It's a Christian t-shirt. We're going to keep Christian shirt, take away Jesus and God, and we're going to do Jesus shirt. Got to add the noun. We can do God shirt. Let's see what God shirt comes up in Marmalade real quick. God shirt. That's super broad, but let's just see what happens. Okay, yeah, it's not really highly searched because it's just so broad. Okay, we're not going to use it. We can use, let's see here, what the AI gave us. Jesus loves me tea. I'm going to check that because, okay, so that's a phrase specific tag, meaning when a bunch of people start copying each other. This is, I mean, Jesus loves me is obviously a really Christian phrase, but for other niches, when people start copying each other, phrases become really popular. Like Mama Bear, for example. There's a lot of Mama Bear shirts out there. So Mama Bear it eventually becomes a good tag to use. So that's why this is kind of like a phrase tag I'm not going to use. Not going to use Christmas gift idea. Cross t-shirt, we're going to check out. Cross t-shirt. We're going to type it in the other way too. Cross shirt. And then we know Jesus shirt is good. We're going to use Jesus shirt. God shirt, we're not going to use. Women's clothing, we're not going to use because it's a specific niche. We're not going to use religious clothing. Heaven t-shirt, church apparel. Let's check church apparel. I don't know. Cross shirt. No, okay. Let's do cross shirt in E-rank. See what it comes up as. Way, way different. Let's do this. No, let's do this. Okay, Christian clothing, and we're going to check the bubble on E-rank here. So out of the tags that My Designs gave us, we are using a few of them. I'll just show you what happens when you do it again. So it gave us about 4 or 5 good keywords. I double checked them in Marmalade and E-rank. So the AI tool gave us 4 or 5 good keywords just after giving it Christian clothing. That's all we gave it. So let's give it Christian clothing and Jesus t-shirt. Let's say Jesus Christ. All right. Save. I don't think you have to hit save, but I'm going to do it anyway. Make sure it's selected here. Hit more actions, phaser AI, and go by the default here. Hit continue. Wait a couple seconds. So this would be an extremely quick way, and this is an extremely quick way to generate titles and tags. Just make sure you cross-reference them. If you didn't want to, you wouldn't have to. These are all relevant. These are all straight up relevant. So I'm just adding my own touch to hone in on it. Let's say that you add 100 designs all at once, which you can do. You hit upload and you drop them all right here. Then you have 100 designs and you type in, now let's say that's 100 Christian designs. You hit this, you select them all, you do edit in bulk, you hit title, action, add to front, title, Christian clothing, right? Okay, you got me? You hit apply to selected listings. I already did that. So it's about to do that. Added it to the front. I already had it in there, so it added it to the front. Then you do the phaser AI, and I could literally generate 100 titles and tags just like that with a few clicks. Then, if you wanted, then you go through and skim through it and just like doctor it up a little bit and make sure it's good. See, because this one, comfort colors, that's totally a print on demand term. Nobody's searching, oh, I want some comfort colors t-shirts. No, they're looking, if they're looking for my product, they're typing in Christian stuff, right? So this is the titles and tags it just generated while I was yapping away. Christian clothing, Jesus Christ t-shirt, religious Christian gifts. So Christian gifts, that's good. I have that right here. Marmalade confirmed it. We can confirm it in eRank, but I'm gonna just keep talking about the title and tags here. Jesus t-shirt, Jesus shirts, Jesus Christ shirt. So I would condense this down to Jesus Christ t-shirt. I don't know if it would fit. Let's see, Jesus Christ t-shirt. No, it won't. See, my designs will tell you if it's too long. No, count. It isn't too long. I misspelled Christ, but it isn't too long. Okay, so I would condense Jesus t-shirt, Jesus shirts, and Jesus Christ shirts down into Jesus Christ t-shirt because you don't need to say it. You don't need to repeat. The Etsy algorithm is smart. It's not 2015 anymore. Repetition does not equal ranking. So as you can see, you can do some powerful things with this app, you guys. If you want to try it out, please do so via the link in my description. If you have any questions, please type it out in the comments below and watch my other videos on the My Designs app because we're doing a challenge right now and I'm making this series and I would love for you guys to join me. Have a beautiful day.